Hello, ChatGPT users. Ever wondered how to save your conversations as PDF, HTML, or PNG? In the next 10 seconds, I'll guide you on the steps to preserve your ChatGPT interactions in your preferred format. Let's get started. Go to Save ChatGPT extension, then tap Add to Chrome to add the extension. After this, a dialog box will appear. Tap Add Extension to add the extension. After this, tap the small puzzle sign just beside the address bar and tap the pin icon beside the Save ChatGPT to pin it. Open a new tab and go to the ChatGPT. Now you must log in there. So tap Login to log in using the email account and password. Once you have logged into the account, you will see the entire history of the chats that you have done using the account. Now, tap the chat that you want to export. Once you have opened the chats in ChatGPT, tap the Save ChatGPT extension to open it. There are 4 options available: text, PDF, PNG format. Choose the option to convert the conversation into that format and save it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.